Hello guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Rip Pull mini games. What is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought she was big, but actually no.
What's that game?
Rip Pull mini games or something. No, epic mini games. It's Undead Aboard. Undead Aboard. Da-na-na-na. The water is so shallow, and it's not even water.
Undead pirates.
Undead pirates.
Don't attack.
Did you kill other players?
Fighters, don't attack fighters. Don't get yourself hit. Kill that undead pirate. He walks so weird. He's like
That was Davy Jones.
Hey, that's the fun player.
Another Davy Jones. Arg! 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 Why don't they take several? They take a couple hits to kill. Hey!
16, 15, 14.
David, did you take off the time?
Ching! Yes?
Turn the volume down on that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I lived. Let's look at the shop. What can I get in the shop?
LOL coins.
Okay.
You can only buy the bunny.
Compactor crash.
Yeah, this one is crazy.
Oh, I love that one.
Yeah, you have to go into an empty space, a blue space.
Oh, yeah. It's got water all over it.
5, 4, 3, rows.
Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na.
There's one spare.
It's like musical chairs. No, it is musical chairs. BAM!
So inside.
This is basically musical chairs. Minus the music part. Dang it!
Out. What cool luck.
I might as well jump off. I'm not gonna get crushed.
So you're basically gonna win. 10 Robux to get 10 cents for 10 Robux.
There are two people. There are now 2 people and 1 compartment. Never mind. Hat. 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 Hat.
Get a soda. Get down the soda.
I won't get anything.
Shark survived. River jump.
What the heck is that? What is that?
A shark.
That don't look like a shark.
Wait, that looks like more.
It looks like a mutated worm.
Your face looks like a mutated.
Jump.
Oh, hey, what happened?
1.
Jump.
Jump.
What is that?
Don't jump onto the water.
That's the hard part. These things are so small. And you're supposed to stay on without touching the water or becoming a shark lunch.
Shark witch?
Shark lunch. That's hard. Epic mini games. That's what it is. That's what I'm playing. Going underground. Fun.
Hopefully you're the controller of the pet.
This one doesn't have a controller. Pets. I want the cheeseburger. Platform will start to move. Avoid stuff.
Avoid the holes.
Mm.
Go to where Tim is.
It's glitching out.
Go to where Tim is.
It's not letting me go down.
I am in absolute safety where I am.
I am in the
Look at where David is. Up.
Which game?
Dang it!
This is so glitchy. Oh,
Game.
It glitched on his.
I lost. Hi, you missed the game. Wait a minute.
okay, Tim, I'm joining.
That's mommy, alright.
You're in R15. You're in R. What is it? 6?
Told me to.
Wait, I'm in R6.
No. Mommy's in R6.
How do you hit people?
You can't yet.
Can I even pretend to hit you?
You can't. Lol. I'm gonna go get to the. I'm going to go swimming in a big dive. Big dive.
Okay, it's not lagging as much anymore, but I'm like in R16 frozen. This is weird.
Chick's
Roblox
got a...
City, bro.
Now you can hit people.
I need to make it to the rope.
Where is everybody? What? What is this?
You have to smack people in the face.
Click to
How
smack.
do you hit them?
Smack. You click to smack.
Okay, now you
Punch.
can smack.
Schmack. Schmack!
Oh, I'm smacking you. Smack, smack, smack.
Smack.
No! I jumped to avoid
How
being
come I
smacked.
couldn't move? Oh, you have to push one.
Yeah.
Punch the goal.
1, 2,
Pumpernickel
3, 4, 5,
Parade.
6, 7.
I punched her.
Mushrooms.
Ah. I was one of the last people standing.
Do you have a timer?
Outbreak and oil. Eggy the Pangu made this map. Made that map.
What is
One slide.
oil platform do?
I don't know what outbreak is, but I seriously don't. Oh,
Avoid becoming infected.
stay away from people. In other words,
Stay away from people that are green.
especially green ones. Roll.
Roll. Uh-oh. Sorry. I'm playing next one.
No, I got infected. Lol. Get infected, mama.
It works for me.
No, like I get on the game.
Jump.
You're moving, walking around like this, floating in the air, not able to do anything.
Who's black?
Yes!
Who's black hole vortex?
Hey,
Mommy.
How do you find out who made it?
I infected you, mommy.
Mommy's.
Yes, I did. I infected you.
Then why were people chasing me trying to infect me?
I infected you.
Uh-oh, cliffside
I don't
chaos.
know when.
That's horrible. That's crazy.
Oh,
I love
what is
Cliffside
Cliffside
Chaos.
Chaos?
There are little. It's like in mine.
Avoid getting
Mario.
shoved off.
And avoid the platforms moving in. That you're on.
Can you jump on the side? Dude, this is awkward.
Uh-oh.
Red's going in.
Do you try to like get to the top?
No, you try to stay on as long as possible.
What's with the one up there? It's,
Nope. You can walk off. You can freaking walk off of this. You can freaking walk off of the map.
9,
Boing, boing, boing.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
Here,
9,
Lydia, you can use time on this.
7.
No! No!
Oh, Tim's
How did I get died? Look, I was still
We-
on the cliff.
We were shoved into the wall that killed you.
Guys, we're
Oh,
watching
good.
Mr. Disney recording, and he is almighty silent one.
Hey. Yeah. No. What is
Capjoys.
Illumina.
Gladiator Grounds?
Marsh.
I'm
Marsh.
gonna let David finish his time on my
No! You have to use time.
How much time you got left, bro? Same. 4 minutes.
Like
Ish.
4 minutes? Yeah.
David, did you pick up? I can't get through here.
3 minutes.
I'm gonna need you to move.
I will take some
it.
3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Well, how much time did you use yesterday? Well, you used an hour yesterday. Did you take that?
Just wait for everyone to murder each other.
You're all like, and then you kept playing for 15 minutes after your time was up.
No, I was
Yes,
kidding.
David.
I got to a safe place and was waiting for you.
David, at
No!
6 o'clock.
Dang it! Okay. Ah! My mouse is moving.
David! I'm sorry.
Why'd you step on it?
It was an accident.
Oy. Most chaotic video.
Blah.
Shut it.
Bleow.
Mm, fun.
Lydia's playing with you.
Mini game chosen. Yes.
What's this then? It's like Mario, except it's a bit chaotic. What happens if you're right here? You're gonna die. If they go in, that means they're going to come out.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mm, mm,
Not the day before that. Or the day before that. Or the day before that. Unfortunately, I did want to use time, but
Hey, look at how much time you have now. One.
Ha.
hey Lydia.
Darn it.
Lydia, have you been collecting your time down there?
Huh? Yeah.
Lol, in right place.
Stay back. No. I died.
Yos! I am 10 coins closer. I am 10 coins closer to my cheeseburger.
20 more. What? 2 more to go. To get a cheeseburger.
Okay. Expedition sprint. I'm not sure I have enough time to finish this. Dang it. Expecto Petroleum Jelly.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. I definitely don't have enough time.
David, is the square cup yours for the day?